Are you tired of dealing with payroll complexities? Like manual data entry, calculation errors, inefficient reporting, statutory compliances, combined with thousands of payroll inquiries, siloed Excel sheets, and frustrated employees. Enter into the next frontier of HRM with DS Payroll 365 and make your processes digitalized, streamlined, and cost-effective through a single platform. Enhance your organization culture with employee self-service, intelligent reporting, leave management, employee performance management. DS Payroll 365 improves payment accuracy by seamlessly calculating payroll in accordance with attendance, leaves, reimbursements, compensations, and many more. Digitalize your HR and payroll processes and get it integrated with your Dynamics 365 package today. Available for Dynamics 365 FO and Business Central, your digital transformation partner, dynamic solution and technology.